Well, what's your name?
Shamira McKay.
All right, Ms. McKay. You are here on a show cause, but you're here on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about December 27th, 2024, at the location of 2307 Twin Lakes Drive, Apartment 1B, in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of child abuse in the fourth degree. Do you understand what you're charged with, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year or probation up to 5 years. You understand that?
When the judge asks about an attorney, this isn't small talk. A public defender can be a game changer in misdemeanor cases.
Yes.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
That's my dad. Yes.
What did Dad say?
Think so, Dad? I guess so, yes.
Yes. The public defender, yes. Anytime. No.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate, with on behalf of Miss
McKay.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate, with on behalf of Miss McKay, would we waive any further reading of the complaint? My client stands mute and asks that a not guilty plea be entered. We would also request an adjourned pretrial date, please.
And then having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m., or as your invite indicates. As the bond in this case.
Your Honor, the people are requesting.
Tense moment. Shamira wants contact with her 16-year-old daughter. Family, custody, and legal stakes collide here.
No contact with Jane Miro Wright, who is the child victim in the case. The spelling of the name is on the bond information form. I can give it to your court right now. That's
It's on bond information.
it is.
Interesting. I know. Well, maybe again.
Well, that depends.
Put it on that side now. Any objection to the no contact?
Yes.
Your Honor, my client does advise me that that is her 16-year-old daughter, so I would be asking for consensual contact with her.
Is there a way that I can approach him? Because, y'all, this is a...
Does
Because of this.
Does she?
Yeah, she's never been removed from my care. CPS has closed out the thing and she's in therapy and everything. Not once has she been removed from my care.
Does she reside with her?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Well, ma'am,
Yet,
ma'am, you got an attorney.
Notice the $10,000 bond and strict conditions. Conditional no-contact rules protect the child without punishing the parent unnecessarily.
She resides with her. Okay.
At the time, my report's from December of 2024, and at the time they did have the same address, Your Honor. I am still requesting no contact.
Your Honor, if I may, my client advises me that the complaining witness has been residing with my client since this incident date and does currently stay with her. My client represents to me as well the CPS case arising from this incident has since been closed as well.
Exactly, and she's never been to me from her care to say that.
Bond is setting amount of $10,000 personal cognizance, loader standard conditions, including no assault behavior, possession of any weapons. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm going to order also no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that?
Yes.
I will order that with reference to contact. I'm gonna do it this way, no non-consensual contact. Gonna be with Jamira Ray. And what that means, ma'am, is that if she doesn't want to have contact with you, then you can't have contact. Okay. I'm not sure what arrangements, you've got family, what arrangements would have to be made if for some reason she just says.
Pivoting to Matt Roy's cases now. Multiple arraignments back-to-back keep courtroom energy high.
I don't want to have contact with you. I would suggest to you at that point that maybe she goes stay with somebody else until such time as you can get back here, we can get that straight. Okay? I'll do it that way. All right. Rather than straight no contact. All right. Anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor, except a dumb question. It was the 17th, correct? Is the next court date?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Other than that, nothing else. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You're just gonna talk until you give me what I want. Court calls the case of the people versus Minati.
Ashley Feltus, people, I think I count 4 cases?
Yes,
They're all arraignments.
they're all arraignments.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Ms. Roy. State your name for the record, please.
Minati Roy.
Malicious destruction of a building sounds minor, but it's serious. Up to a year in jail and fines. Maximum penalty, not guaranteed outcome.
Your Honor, on all...
You're gonna appear on all.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, no.
Wait, I guess wait. No, I won't appear yet. I don't think we've been appointed, have we?
No.
Okay.
Maybe you just did it on your own.
No. I already spoke with Ms. Roy, so I was ready to just...
No, that's fine. Did she know what she's charged with? Or? That was a question.
No.
Ms. Roy, you're before the court on 4 misdemeanor complaints. You understand that, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. The first complaint in case 1297 is the charge of malicious destruction of a building, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. You understand that charge, ma'am?
Yeah.
It's alleged to have occurred on April 2nd, 2025 at a location on Randolph Court. You understand that? Yes. That's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and a $2,000 fine plus court cost. You understand that? Yes. Ma'am, do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah.
Okay. Is English your first language or no?
English was my first language. Later, before was my Bengali language.
Okay. Would you feel more comfortable if you had an interpreter?
Yeah, interpreter will be better, but
Okay. All right.
but I can understand what you're saying.
Are you understanding me?
Yeah.
Okay. You tell me if you don't understand me. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. This charge is a misdemeanor, carries a maximum penalty of up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
That much money?
Okay, that's the maximum penalty. That doesn't mean that will be the penalty.
But I had a mental issue. That's why I did that
Okay,
stuff.
so, let me stop you there. I don't want you saying anything about the charges, okay, at this point. Okay. Let me ask you this. Since you understand me, would you like to have an attorney on these cases?
Yeah, I want an
Okay,
attorney.
Ms. Perrone, I'll appoint the PD. I'll give the short form version of the charges so that she understands, okay? So you're gonna have the public defender on all of your cases, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Assist-
Go ahead.
Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Ms. Roy.
The first charge is the malicious destruction of a building, 200 to 1,000 for 1 year offense. On that one, you waive formal reading, your client stands mute.
Yes, Your Honor.
And in having waived formal reading, standing mute, the court will enter a not guilty plea on that case. The next case, the 1298, is the charge of malicious destruction of building less than 200. The 93-day offense. That's alleged to have occurred on March 30th, 2025. On that one, you also waive formal reading, your client stands mute.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, the court will enter a not guilty plea on that case. On the case ending in 1299, it is the charge of malicious destruction of a building less than 293 days offense alleged to have occurred on March 6, 2025. Waive formal reading, stand mute.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
And in every way, formal reading, standing mute, court will enter not guilty. And the last case ending in 1300 is 2 charges.
4 misdemeanors and stalking charges in one sitting, plus another arraignment coming up. Public defenders juggle multiple complex cases while keeping clients protected.
The first count being malicious destruction of a building less than 200, the 93-day offense. And that's on April 5th, 2025. All of these occurred at Randolph Court Apartments. Count 2 is the charge of stalking, which is punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, $1,000 fine plus court costs, and 5 years probation. Waive formal reading, stand mute.
Yes, Your Honor.
And in having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty. All right.
Stuck.
Let's deal with the last case.
Guilty. Thanks for results. We'll work it out, okay?
You'd like all of these adjourned?
Yes, please, Your Honor. She has another arraignment scheduled for the 17th. I do not remember the charge that is.
Before me?
Before you, yes. I think it's a retail fraud. So I guess.
Why don't we have?
I don't know. I do not know.
Well, I mean, the different terms. It looks like I see a malicious destruction building.
Another one?
For an arraignment retrial, as well as, I see 2 additional cases, so 6 total. The other 2 are on the 17th.
Like-
We charge 6 at the same time, Your Honor. So there are 6 total.
Okay, so that we don't have any confusion, I'm going to briefly pass the matter. Can you get those into me? Have them. I'm going to have them bring those down so we can get all of them together. Okay, so have a seat. We'll take us a minute. We'll get the files down and we'll continue on with this. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.